Hello, everyone. This is Dawn Olszewski with DOstampingWithDawn.com, and I'm here with another How'd She Do That. And today, I'm going to show you how to make this pinwheel card. And it looks like it might be a little complicated, but it is super easy. So before I get started, I want to talk a little bit about some of the products on here. So that cute little paper is free. Yep, you heard me right. It's free with a $50 order during Celebration. And Celebration ends February 28th. So we're only a couple weeks, a little less than a couple weeks away. So if this cute paper, let me show you the designs. It's called Sunshine and Rainbow. It's a 6x6 paper. You get 4 of 12 designs, so that's 48 sheets. So let's just quickly go through it. So on one side is lots of rainbows and sunshine sort of stuff. On the other side is like pattern paper that coordinates with it. We've got some stripes, rainbow colors, clouds, more rainbows in different colors. It's a cute little pattern here. Fun stripes again. These stripes are fun because they have different patterns in them. And then polka dots. This is one of the ones that I'm using today. More stripes. And then these are very thin stripes. And the last one, really cute, Sunshines and Rainbow. So there you go. These are great for birthday cards or just a pickup and thinking of you. Just bright and cheery paper. And if you're into like these kind of bright and cheery primary colors, you're going to love them. So, I'm just going to show you a few of the samples that they show here. It coordinates with our Rainbow of Happiness bundle, and that is in our mini catalog, January through June 2022. Really cute projects here. But, you know, I think mine's cuter. So, let's talk about what you need for this. So, like I said, we're going to use the polka dot pattern. And you're going to need 4 pieces of that, and then we're using this kind of this is a navy blue, Night of Navy, and it is kind of like a star pattern, and you need 4 of those. Okay, these measure 1 1/4, so a total of 8 of 1 1/4 inch squares. You'll need a circle. Now for the circle, what did I end up doing? I found the palms dies. These are new out of the mini catalog as well. And there's a circle shape in there that was just about the right size. So it is just under 3/4 of an inch. So if you have a punch or you have other dies that have some circles in it, look for something about that size. All right. So there's that. We'll set these aside over here. And then you're going to need 2 squares. They're coordinated for whatever colors that you're using. And they each measure 2 5/8. All right, so you need 2 of these. So we're going to go ahead and get started. And how we're going to do that is I like to use my grid paper for this. And what we're going to do is we're going to take this on the diagonal. We're going to put like a diamond shape. Actually, just going to put a dab of adhesive there, not too much, and make it a little more tacky. I don't want it to stick there. I just want it to stay. So you can see I'm lining this up on this dark line on the grid paper, and this is Stampin' Up's grid paper. Love the grid paper. That's in the main catalog. And there we go. So now I give it a little press. Now what we want to do is we want to put this one on squarely. So what I like to do is just kind of see where this lands here. Because oftentimes when I'm making cards, I don't know about you, we want to bring this down a little bit. I make several cards. So I might make 3 or 4 of these, you know, while I'm at it, right? So I want to make a pattern. There we go. So I'm going to put a dot here, a dot here, a dot here, and a dot here. And certainly you could even draw it out. I'll draw out one side to just, you can see how it goes there. And that way, when you're making these, you've got the pattern. It's already all lined up for you. Okay, so we're going to adhere that together. I'm keeping my adhesive in kind of in the middle because I'm not sure exactly where it's going to land on here. So you can see how this little template is going to make it so much easier here. Oops. Except I'm getting shadows. I can't see what I need to put my head in here. All right, there we go. And actually, I'm going to put it on these dots first and mooch it over a little bit. There we go. There, that looks pretty good. So I'm going to go ahead and take it off. I need to slide it over just a smidge. There we go. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and put these on. You can start with either pattern. We're going to go every other one, and I'll show you how that's done. So we'll start with this one. Now, for the very first one, you only need to adhere half of it down. So we're going to only adhere in like the diamond shape. Okay. We're going to adhere it like this. Okay, so only half is down. I'm going to move this out of the way so I don't stick to that. And you can see that we're going to, when we come to the end, I'll show you what you're going to do with that. Now you could put adhesive on all of them. And the tip, these little diamond areas, that's where you're going to put them all. All right. So I'll quickly go through this. And I like to just keep turning them. If you're a lefty, you want to turn them, you know, whatever way you're kind of comfortable with adhering things down. I want to get a little more on that tip on that one. There we go. If you get too much, just wipe it off. I'm doing that all the time. Use my finger as an eraser. There we go. But now think of all the patterns that were in that paper. Oh my gosh. You could do all kinds of different coordinating papers. What else could you do? I just really like, I think it's got to be something bright and cheery like this paper. You know what? I'm going to do this. I want those dots on the outside because I think they're so cute. Oh, I do have another one that I did with a couple different patterns from the Sunshine and Rainbows. So I can show you that while I'm finishing this up. Cute, right? So I would just pull in whatever color coordinates. Like for this one, I pulled in Pool Party. So I'm not holding my, this is what, I'm not holding this right now. I am. So here's a tip. If you have trouble with Stampin' Seal, I have a tip that works every time, but for some of us who are used to the previous product that we had, it can be a challenge because we have kind of muscle memory. So you need to hold it like straight up and down. And when you do, it works like a charm. It works really great, as you could see. So now the last one, this is why we didn't put adhesive there. We want to tuck this under and get that in the corner like that. Okay, now I'm going to come in and I'm going to put adhesive down for that last piece there. Perfect. Voila! Yay! So how easy is that? Now to finish it off, I'm going to bring in my Stampin' Pierce mat and round square brad. So we have, these are come in black and white. So we have kind of a larger, I'll call, the squares are kind of larger, half in black, half in white, and the circles, you can see one here, you can see a white one here. They are on the tiny side, and half are white and half are black. So I'm using a square one, and we're going to come in with our circle. I'm going to add some adhesive to our circle. You don't need much because the brad is going to help keep it on. I'm going to scooch this back. And now I'm going to take the pick tool and make a hole. And I'm going to put this through. Well, actually, I'm not going to put it through quite yet because I want to place it on our mat of the card. That's this right here. And so this measures 4 and 5 1/4. It's basic white. And I just want to place it on here. And I'm going to, now you have some choices here. I could have just adhered it and then it would be stationary, which would be very cool too. But I decided, you know, I'm so excited about this part. I decided that maybe I want my pinwheel to actually spin. Yay! Isn't that cute? Yeah, I like it. I like it a lot. So here's our finished card. You can make it spin however we want. Add a greeting. This is like the perfect greeting. This is like a must-have set. It's from the Happiest of Birthdays. This is in our annual catalog. And I chose It's Your Day, Enjoy It. And I stamped it in Magenta Madness. So if you want to surprise and delight some of your birthday recipients, you know, obviously kids would like it, but teens would love it, adults would love it, your male friends would love it. Yeah, my husband likes cards like this that interact. So you could really make this kind of card for just about anybody. So I hope you enjoyed this video, this How'd She Do That video. And if you're interested in getting a catalog, if you don't have a demonstrator, I'd be happy to get some catalogs out to you. If you're in the US, you can just contact me. I'll have a link in the description. If you're looking for Stampin' Up! Products, I have a store that you can visit as well. Again, I'll have the link in the description, and I'll have measurements. This will be on my blog, and I'll have the link to this as well, so that you can pin this to Pinterest and get back to it at any time you want. So thank you and have a great day.